the main mistake made by most users, or how to limit losses. I'll show you here in quite short video how important it is to renew your presence in Pi network in calculations made for 10 persons in just 10 days. Of course, they could make it easier. Just let us renew our presence during this 24-hour period and not exactly after 24 hours. But evidently they just don't like us much. So after first infatuation and excitement, there comes normal attitude to just another application that requests maybe not too much, but in quite annoying way. And it is due to lack of interest on the side of the core team, little or no information at all provided on a daily basis, and problems in renewing a presence in this Pi application. And when time comes, it's hard to do it, who knows why. So for some persons, just this can be discouraging. It's easy also to miss the deadline as the notification is quite silent. The result is straightforward. In average, only 50% of users is active, and this discourages more persons. And now I will show you how important it is to renew on time in quick calculations made on a group of 10 persons in 10 days. First, 1 hour earning for active users. You get 0.2 basic rate plus 0.2 maximum of your secure circle, that is 0.4. 10 persons of your group, each adding you 0.05, provide you with additional 0.5, what sums up to a total of 0.9 Pi per hour. Now see what's going on with the average of 50% inactive. You still have yours 0.4, but your group gives you only 0.25 of additional earning, which sums up to 0.65 Pi per hour. In one day, all active give you 21.6 Pi, but those inactive in average only 15.6 Pi. And fast calculations will reveal that you lose just 28%. Well, that is not so little. As you multiply it by 10 days, the result is 216 and 156 respectively. But do not forget that if we take into consideration average inactivity, that refers also to you. But as you should also well remember, while you are inactive, you get nothing at all. So the real result may be this one, 216 versus 78, what is stunning 64% less. It might be less, but the calculations show you how important it is to renew on time your presence and how we are all interconnected and relate on each other. The application reminds you, but honestly, you can easily miss such a silent one. You can set your alarm clock, but then it becomes cumbersome to make changes as the time is not always the same. The best solution is to use a macro that you can modify to your needs. Text in your language, read by your TTS, and sound loud enough which you like. Also, it's useful to notify non-active members every day to lower this 50% average rate. Watch another tutorial on it called Ping Inactive. Also, how to get most of your Pi application, or how exactly are calculated your earnings, and how to add to the secure circle persons from your contacts.